Each year, tens of thousands of access cards vanish across the globe, lost or stolen. And many of them open office doors without a PIN or any ID check. It's a silent, underestimated threat to the security of global businesses. That's why it's crucial that only the rightful owner can use the card. The IDEX Biometric Total Access Card identifies each employee by their fingerprint, ensuring only authorized people can enter the building. And let's face it, today's access cards and login systems just aren't user-friendly. The IDEX Biometric Total Access Card recognizes each employee by their fingerprint. Forget every password you've ever known. With just your fingerprint, you unlock your system faster, easier, and with unmatched security.